Hey guys, and welcome to this new video. I'm Project Mimis 2008 and today we will continue the Python tutorial series. In this video we will take the first steps with Python. I also tell you that I have recovered from my cold. Although I'm sure you don't care. Anyway, let's start! On Python. Today, as I said before, we will learn the basics of the Python programming language. I already tell you that we will not be using idle for the whole video series. However, the first program that we are going to program together will be a program that will print the message "Hello World" on the screen. To achieve this, only one comment on a single line of text is required. Let's write the comment. It's called print. We have to write the text that the program will have to print. In the print comment, the text must be inserted between the two double quotes. Let's write the text. Hello world. Run the program, we have to save it somewhere. So let's go to File, Save. Choose the folder where we want to save the file. Let's call it what we want. No spaces is recommended. And click Save. To run the file, we go to Run Model, and there you have it. Our program has been executed. Before leaving you, I'll teach you something else about comments in Python. Comments are for humans to understand the code in Python in your time. To write a comment, we must start it at the end of the code with an hashtag. So let's write a comment like says hi to the word, in this case. I run the program again to show you that the Python in your comments. Do you see Python in your comments? And that's it for today. Leave a like if you like this video, subscribe to the channel to support me, and activate the notification bell on all to stay up to date on new videos. Thanks and bye!